Well, it's time to move out of this camp here near Ash Fork, Arizona. This was an awesome spot overlooking this juniper grove here. It's just very nice and peaceful. Nobody else camped out here. So it was just really nice to have a day to just kind of relax. Did quite a bit of organizing in the van yesterday, get things as tidy as possible. So we're going to be moving out, doing a quick stop in Prescott, Arizona, and then moving on to the next camp. So the adventure continues. All right, let's move on out of here. This again was the Kaibab National Forest here near Ash Fork, Arizona. There are cattle grazing in this area of the National Forest. A lot of national forests have deals with cattle farmers where they have rights to let their cows on the land. So basically we were camped with the cows here. It's a little cool last night. Got down to, I woke up to 36 degrees in the van, but it's warming up quickly. I think the high is supposed to be about 63 today. Nice and clear and sunny. Beautiful start to the day. This was a very welcome change to being camped in the desert for so long through the winter. As we slowly make our way into higher elevation, start to see a little bit more vegetation, like all these pinyon pines here. Won't be long, we'll be in actual forest. We're using Highway 89 South, heading towards Prescott, Arizona. Away we go. Through Prescott, Arizona here. We're going to be using this Highway 169 heading north. We're going to junction up with Interstate 17 just beyond that for a little bit. Be pulling off and hopefully we can find a camp around here. All right, well, we found a camp spot here. We're kind of up on this hillside. It's actually really nice up here. It's a little fire ring down here, and we do have this nice pinyon pine to give us some shade over there, as well as the shade on the side of my van. I am doing a new weed sprayer bottle. I use these to pressurize water. I have a little shower nozzle on it. I could shower with it, but mostly these days I use it for like washing dishes and just washing my hands and stuff. So put a fresh coat of black paint on that and got the chair set up here. It's about time to relax, so we're just gonna hang out here, enjoy this amazing view. And then through these trees, can just barely see the red rocks of Sedona. Pretty nice. There's about 10 camp spots up here and pretty much all of them are taken. So I would say no vacancy on this hillside. All right, we are doing the Cathedral Rock hike here in Sedona, Arizona. Check it out. It's a pretty short hike, but it's straight up. Fantastic. Views are definitely fantastic from up here. It's a pretty good steep incline, a little bit of rock climbing, but definitely doable. Look at this. I said, where's the vortex?
I want to know where it is.
It's all around you. Wow, this was definitely worth the hike. It's a short hike, but steep, totally worth it. Some amazing views up here. Just fantastic rock formations. Pretty awesome. So we move on. We're gonna try to find another hike. Let's do it. The post-hike Chipotle. Check out this view here.
Where are you going?
Where am I going? I don't know. I thought you were giving me directions.
No. Oh,
I think we're doing Soldier Pass Trail.
No.
The 7 Wonders.
No. Bear Mountain Trail.
Bear Mountain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Worst interview ever. We decided to go for the harder one.
So we wrong.
There's the You Are Here dot. That is where we're going. To the top. Bam.
All right, so this is hike number 2. We had our Chipotle break, got a little food in us. Now we're over here at the Bear Mountain Trail. I think it's what, like a 4-mile round trip?
Closer to 5.
Okay, and check out what we're dealing with here. We're going up there somewhere.
5 miles, 2,000 feet elevation gain.
We're gonna go up 2,000 feet. Look at all these wildflowers, guys. At first I thought it was just a light colored grass. All these little guys, just everywhere. Look at that. Red Rock Secret Mountain Wilderness. Shh, shh, don't tell anyone. Well, we made it to one of the summits here. Apparently we're only halfway. You can continue on, which we're gonna do, but we gotta take a second and absorb this. Look at this view. Wow. Well, we've come over the other side of this first summit and we get a whole nother spectacular view. And we kind of thought that this might be it here, but we're pretty sure we're going up on this one. So we got another little valley to go through. This is turning out to be quite a hike for a 2-miler. Wow. Look at that. I want to fall down there. Here we go, yet another view as we climb higher. Can't even see where we came from now. Somewhere way down there. Still got a ways to go. All right, well this is kind of a fun one. Every summit we get to, we kind of think it's the actual summit, and then there's another one beyond it. So we're pretty sure that this is the final summit. I'm feeling it. I'm definitely out of shape. So I'm a little winded, getting a little bit of a headache, but hanging in there. Gotta get in shape somehow. Kelly's running circles around me. All right, this would be it. We made it to the true summit. 2,000 feet elevation gain. Let's look at our view here. Holy. Wow, and we get the view off the other side as well. This red rock is just amazing. I don't want to go over this edge here. You guys probably can't see it, but way down in here, there's people camped down there. Looks like the end of a dirt road. I got to figure out where that is. I want to camp down there. That looks epic. Top of the world. Look at this, just drops right off. I'm getting a little shaky just being this close. Okay, we took a few minutes to relax and take it all in at the summit here, but we can't stay too long. My muscles relax too much. I ain't going nowhere. So it's time to make our descent 2,000 feet down. Away we go. All right, we made it to the bottom. The van is in sight. That was one heck of a hike. That broke me in for the year, I think. We're gonna do our best to try to stay in shape and continue this hiking thing. We realized when you got dirt bikes, it's real easy to just hop on those. That's still a little bit of a workout, but nothing like the cardio you'll get from a hike. So we're gonna get back to the van, head back to camp, and make something simple for dinner, because as soon as I sit down, I am done for the day. Thanks for watching. We'll find out where we go in the next video. Hope you're all doing well out there. Take care. Peace.